Hi everyone, Vincenzo here with a new ukulele tutorial. This week I'm gonna be teaching you how to play bendings on the ukulele in less than 3 minutes. This is a technique that I love and that it sounds great on the ukulele. Listen to this. So when you bend, you essentially push a string across the fretboard so that the string gets tighter and the pitch goes up. Sometimes we raise the pitch of a whole step like this. Sometimes of a half step like this. When you bend, always keep 2 or more fingers on the fretboard, unless you're bending with the index, of course. So say you're bending a note with the ring finger, that means you should have the index and the middle finger on the fretboard too. This will give you more power and in general a better technique. Now another thing that helps is having your thumb over here. This is the movement that I'm doing when bending. When practicing, always check that the bent note is properly in tune, as this is a very important aspect of bending practice. By the way, when I play a bending, I always have in my head the note I'm aiming to reach. That really helps. Now let me play a very quick exercise for you. For today, let's focus on whole step bendings. 3, 4. Now I move to the 3rd and the 4th string. These strings will be pushed down rather than up, like this. Okay, 3, 4. Let's do it one more time, this time starting from the 4th string. 3, 4. I started from the 5th fret because it's easier, but once you feel confident with bendings, try them over here as well. By the way, in regards to bending on the 3rd string, sometimes you can also bend pushing up. For example, it really depends on your ukulele and on how you like it more. Of course, this was a super quick introduction to bendings. I have a lot more to teach you about them. So if you want to know more, just let me know in the comments. On my Patreon page, you can find the tab of the exercise I showed you before, and also one drum beat that goes with it. The drum beat is at 3 different tempos, so that you can start slowly and speed up gradually. By the way, if you're looking for a song to practice bendings, check out my tutorial of the solo of Californication. There are a lot of bendings there. That's all for now. If you learned something from this video and you would like to say thank you, you can buy me a coffee, link in the description. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my new tutorials. Having said that, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next week. Ciao!